Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking for wrinkle-free clothing, then I want to show you this PurSteam Mighty Little Steamer. This is a super handy little portable steamer. It's very convenient and easy to use, and you are able to get wrinkles out of your clothes hassle-free in very little time and not have to pull out an ironing board and an iron. So it's super simple to use, and I'm going to show you how it works. So basically all you need to do is screw off this top piece here. You fill the container with water, put the top back on, and there is a locking function, so you just lock it in place. And then you turn the power button on and then you just wait. It only takes about 90 seconds or so for it to really heat up, and you will see the steam coming right out the top, and then you're ready to go. So what I typically will do is I will hang my clothes and then just run the steamer along the clothes. And if you kind of hold them a little bit taut, that helps to release the wrinkles easier and a little bit quicker. And it works very well. So if you are looking to get some wrinkles out of your life, then I would definitely check out this mighty little steamer from PurSteam. Lives up to its name. It is small but mighty, and that's my point of view.